What's
everybody.
up? Speaking RV.
Yep. More.
I'm Kevin. It's gray behind us.
Yes. But it looks like it's going to clear up over there.
Yeah, you should tell them that way.
Yeah, let me just... there you go. Now
Beautiful.
you can see.
Yep.
It's real nice.
Man,
So what did we do in Anchorage?
eat food.
And work.
Why? Because I was sad. Paul was out of town.
Yeah.
So I was eating food.
He was eating his feelings.
Yep.
But,
It happens.
Yeah. So, I don't know, for some reason the 2 times that we've stayed in Anchorage, we didn't really do much.
Yeah.
We just hunkered down and worked and ran errands.
To me, Anchorage is one of those, errand cities where
Yeah.
you go do your big stores and mail packages and receive stuff and buy things so that you can go somewhere else.
Yeah, especially after we've been traveling around and boondocking a lot. You
Yep.
just kind of want to settle and be in civilization for a little bit before you head off again.
Yep.
So that's pretty much what we did. But I'm going to show you a lot of amazing food that we ate.
We ate a lot of food. Lots of pizza from one of our favorite spots
Yeah,
in all of the Alaska area.
yeah, it's called Hearth Artisan Pizza, and they have really nice appetizers, and
Their
they do
cauliflower wings, man.
yeah, and they do
So
a
good.
house-made vegan cashew cheese,
It's delicious.
and they have vegan desserts, which is not just like a crappy bowl of fruit, but I love fruit, but if I'm ordering dessert, I want something better than that.
And they also have monthly things monthly
Oh
different
yeah,
pizzas.
seasonal pizzas.
Man, their jalapenos were not joking.
Yeah.
It hurt.
But it's a great place to go with mixed company because they also, it's not a vegan spot.
Yeah, they just
They
have
just
good
happen to
vegan.
have good vegan options.
In fact, there was 2 ladies next to us who both were not vegan, and they liked the vegan pizza better than they did the regular pizza.
Yeah,
But all the pizzas looked amazing that
Yeah.
came out.
yeah. So it was a cool
We had a
place.
sad while we were in Anchorage.
Which sad did we have?
We broke our non-hooking up milestone.
Oh yeah, because we were parked under the trees at Centennial.
Who picked that spot? She's
We
never
could-
gonna hear the end of it.
No, I'm not. We'll just add that to the list of things I'll never hear the end of.
How many days did we make? 85?
85.
85 days! No hookups, man. That's
Yeah.
pretty awesome.
And honestly, if we'd pushed it, we could have.
We could have done it.
Yeah. We just, we're paying for a spot that has electricity.
Yeah,
so.
in fact, we were at another campground where we paid for electricity too, and we didn't hook up.
Yeah.
Just because I was like, I'm not gonna hook up.
Yeah.
Blah, blah. But we started getting into the 50% range, and
Yeah.
I made the call. It was a sad day, but 85 days is incredible.
Yeah.
And I'm pretty sure with our setup now, we could just go infinitely without it. But
Yeah.
anyway.
Yeah, it would have to be.
Ooh, that's the sun.
What? Huh.
You can see the reflection in my head.
You can't.
I'm trying to think of anything else about Anchorage or the things that we did in the area.
Well,
We stayed at Centennial Campground.
yeah.
Decent. No frills. There's not that many camp spots in Anchorage.
Yeah.
I guess the campgrounds kind of got together and were like, hey, we don't like people parking in the Walmarts and the Cabela's.
Yeah, so you
they
can't,
don't allow overnights
yeah,
anymore.
can't overnight there in Anchorage.
I've heard
mean-
some people still do, but it's
Yeah.
not like I guess it used to be where it was
Yeah.
jam-packed with RVs.
Yeah, I guess they don't want to become Whitehorse.
Yeah. So you have your choice of campgrounds. There's not that many though.
Yeah. Centennial was fine. The bathrooms were terrible.
Terrible.
The worst.
Man,
So
they have got to
don't
step
stay don't stay there if you're planning on using.
If you need a facility,
restrooms.
don't go there.
or the showers there.
But other than that, the power, the water, the
fine.
sewer. In fact, if you get a sewer site, you open up the front windows and just watch people dump their tanks. Endless entertainment. People just don't know what they're doing.
Yeah.
Especially you have a lot of people from like overseas who really don't know what the hell they're doing.
Yeah.
And boy, it's a good time.
All around Alaska, there are loads of rental RVs.
Yes.
So those are always entertaining at the dump station.
Yep.
Yep.
The life of RVers.
Yes. We did go to I think it was called the Alaska Heritage Center.
Yep. It was super cool.
Yeah,
that's where I found out that you don't call people originally from Alaska Eskimos.
Yeah.
Mexicans.
you
definitely don't call them
not
Mexicans.
Mexicans.
No, that's definitely, you're in the wrong area.
They really hate that.
Yeah. But Eskimos is not a term that's
it's
really
derogatory.
used. Yeah.
A little
So
bit.
they like to be called from the
whatever tribe
they're from,
Yeah.
or the nation that they're from, I
Yeah.
guess. So yeah, anyway, learned a lot. Got to see some cool stuff, see some dudes do some crazy vertical jumps.
We're not going to show you any of that though because we didn't.
We didn't film any of it.
Nothing there.
No.
So you'll just have to wait for the Motorhome Experiments video to come out.
Yep. This isn't like a long talking front one because I think we're just going to run a bunch of video after this.
Yeah, we're
Yeah.
just going to show you all the delicious food we ate. And there's a couple of funny things in there. And yeah, that's
I
about
don't know
it.
what funny thing you're talking about.
Yeah, you do.
I asked her not to film that.
Yeah, he specifically asked me to film that.
All right, you guys check out the video.
We'll see you in a minute.
See you in a bit.
Hey, where's Kevin?
Out of the 20.
People, yeah, exactly. What just happened? That was amazing. Did you see that?
No,
She's sauteing the onions with Coca-Cola.
that's crazy.
That was amazing.
So Kevin, how stoked are you about getting a vegan dog?
So stoked. Coca-Cola onions, what up?
So here's our farmer's market haul. We got some red romaine. Kevin got some dill relish. These little broccoli tops. These baby bok choys. There's a bunch of kale. And a bunch of beets.
You got sabzi, right?
Yeah, I got kadai sabzi.
Yeah.
And you got aloo gobi
Aloo gobi.
and bindi masala, I think
Yes.
that was. We got some roti. Yeah.
Oh Lord, don't. Oh man.
So much food.
So much food. But we love food.
Yeah.
I guess a couple of things we forgot to talk about. How awesome is it to saute onions with Coca-Cola? Seriously, I still can't get over that. And Laura won't do it. So that's the only time I'm ever going to have it. Unless one of you guys cooks for me.
Yep.
But yeah, farmers markets there were like, it's funny, we
Every
woke up
neighborhood
and we're
has
like,
one.
man, we need to go to this farmer's market. And we get there and it was okay.
Yeah.
Not much going on. But that's where I got the Yeti dog. Then we saw a sign for another one. That one was awesome because it was mostly centered around food. And then they had the big one that's advertised everywhere.
Yeah.
And
everybody
it was
says go to this one.
the worst.
Yeah, it was
like
geared towards tourists.
Yeah.
It wasn't.
In fact, they
fresh
had buses
foods.
pulling up with tourists going in there, and
Yeah.
it like sold shit.
Meh.
It was so crap.
Yeah.
Such
I mean,
crap.
yeah. If you want souvenirs and things like that.
Yeah, but there's souvenir places like
Yeah.
all around
it's
town.
just whatever.
I don't know.
So.
Anyway,
But
it's kind of like, yeah.
But we found the good ones. So. We went to 4 or 5 that day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
In fact, there was an awesome,
There's one
I guess
right-
it was a Korean one,
Right next to our campground.
right next to the campground.
Yeah.
It's pretty
Yeah.
awesome.
So if you stay at Centennial, check out that on, I think it's Saturdays. I mean, they had all kinds of good stuff. I think I got some of the bok choy there. Anyway.
Good times.
Yeah. So.
Anchorage. It's not
Anchorage.
just for lovers. It's for
Yeah,
eaters.
It's for vegan food,
Yep.
or at least in some places.
And dumping the tanks.
End up and getting work done.
Getting work done.
I promise the next video will be more interesting because we're going.
You heard
back.
it here first. Way more interesting this
It'll be
next
less food related,
Yep.
and so you'll just have to wait for that to see more
one. In
sites.
1 month's time.
No,
Just
it'll
kidding.
Be faster than that. We need to wrap up.
We gotta
this
hustle.
Alaska business.
Yep. We're getting towards the end though.
Yes.
It's really sad.
Mm-hmm.
Anyway, guys, if you like it, thumbs up. If you don't like it, just press stop.
Yeah. There's the door.
Yeah, the door's your back button
Yeah.
over there, wherever. Laura does all of our Instagram, our YouTube, our Twitter, our Facebook, our
Pinterest.
Pinterest, and Google Plus.
No Google Plus.
No Google Plus.
Anymore.
Yeah, so check us out there. That's where you get like more kind of like up-to-date things that we're
Yeah.
doing. And that's all.
Yes. Until next time.
We'll see you later. Vegan RV.
Oh, we're not coordinated at all.
No, this is
terrible.
like my...
Oh. Our parade float.